Honeywell continues to improve its industry-leading Primus Elite avionics system. The Advanced Features retrofit brings several updates and enhancements to the maintenance pages. New maintenance pages have been added, and the location of some status pages has moved. There are a couple of things to keep in mind when accessing the maintenance pages. It can only be accessed when the aircraft is on the ground, and the data loader must be powered on. The main page displays general aircraft, hardware, and software information, as well as 3 control buttons on the bottom of the page. The Data button accesses database, software, and fault log status information. The Options button accesses configuration controls. And the Inputs button accesses DU bus and discrete status. Clicking on the Data button brings up the new database status page. While this page looks similar to previous versions, Charts 1 and Charts 2 have been renamed to Charts Binary and Supplement, and SVS terrain and navigation data have been added. The DB Load button is used for database loading, which is covered in a separate video. The Software Status page displays the version and status of individual files loaded in the DU. This page also provides access to software loading, which will be used for future updates to Primus Elite. The Fault Log status displays the fault logs. The Upload button is used to transfer DU fault information from the aircraft to a USB drive or SD card. You can return to the main page at any time by clicking on the Main button. From the Options Status page, you can enable or disable Primus Elite features such as XM Weather. The Bus Status page displays DU bus and DU discrete status information. This has been a brief overview of the updates and enhancements to the maintenance pages in the Honeywell Primus Elite Advanced Features retrofit. For more details about all of the new capabilities available in the Advanced Features retrofit, refer to the Honeywell Pilot's Guide supplement.